Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So quickly, I'm just going to show you guys something. So this is actually meant for beginners, right? It's actually a major scale I actually played, and I landed on my fourth. It's just a very simple major scale riff to land on your fourth, right? So I'm using this key, the key of C actually. Yeah. So yeah. So what I'm playing is the progression is do. Oh, bless the Lord of our time. It's good. What? There's a right. Right. So what I'm playing, I'm just adding a little ghost note. So right. I will bless the Lord. The same thing. You got it. So you see, it's giving it that beat, that pulse. Do you get it? And the vibe. And the rhythm also, right? So that ghost note I'm adding is giving it that vibe we're looking for. So the progression is do, ba, ba, ba. You get it? Do, 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 right? Ba, 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 ba. If we add that ghost note in between, it's going to actually give it that pulse, right? So, right? So, see how pulse is becoming, right? So like I said, first one, I will bless the Lord at all time. That's how simple it is. You can even sustain it if you don't want to cut it, right? You can just I will bless the Lord at all time. You know, there's a difference between attack, right, and release, or cut and release. So that attack or cut is called why the release is a sustain. So you actually need to understand this in music, right? You should know when to attack or when to cut and when to release. Very, very important, right? So, there's a lot of time. Release. Right? So let's add that ghost note now. Sorry. So the idea is right. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 no, 1. You get it? So you see the difference, right? There's the difference between and then so just try it with a metronome. It's actually going to help. So sorry. So you see how the ghost note is actually helping, right? Yeah. So you can add something like so. Let's try putting it there. So yeah. You see the time I wait? No. You see the time, right? So what I'm playing is Sol La Ti Do Re, the normal major scale. That's actually one of the things I wanted teaching, or the major thing I actually wanted to teach. So Sol La Do, Sol La Ti Do Re Mi Fa sol, la, ti, do. Then why the do is ringing? Mi, slide to my fa. Why so sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, mi, fa. So this do is still ringing, and the mi slide to your fa, all rings together, right? So right again. One more time. I made a mistake. Nice. Go. One more time. I'm making a mistake. Yes, so you not have to be clean and clear, right? Nice. So let's try putting all of them in context. So one more time, right? Let's try playing it slowly. Yeah. Let's go. One more time. Let's go. Nice. Again. Go. Let's go now. You get it? So that's just all. So la ti do re mi fa sol la ti do. Then mi fa all ringing together, right? That's just all. Then don't forget the ghost note. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So you can actually break it. Sorry, I'm actually making mistakes actually. Let's try it now. I've been making mistakes actually, but that's actually what I want you to learn, right? Obviously, I need to also do some practice a little so that I will stop making these mistakes I'm making now. So yes, I'm going to see you in my next video. Please, if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop new videos. I'm going to see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.